With the frigid winter that we've been having, I bet you most of you spent the majority of winter inside your home. Well, have you ever thought about the quality of air that you are breathing? Our next two guests are going to tell you that you should be concerned. Rick Schaffer and Mark Iwanicki from COIT are back. Thank you, gentlemen, for coming here.
Hey there.
Mark, I'm going to start off with you. Why should we be worried about the air that we're breathing inside of our home?
There's a variety of contaminants in the air we breathe. We don't give it much thought, from pets, from smoke, from outside contaminants, pollen, and it can particularly affect people with allergies.
So this is a health issue.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And there's bad odor that could be going through your home as well, correct?
Certainly. Those odors can linger.
Well, how can COIT improve the quality in our home and in our business?
Our cleaning process will eliminate the contaminants inside the system and keep them from being recirculated within the house.
How difficult of a process is that? Is it pretty easy for you to come in? I mean, how can you tell, what do you look for?
Well, I'll tell you what, one of the things that we like to do is we come in and we do a video inspection. We can remove some of the vent covers, take a look inside, see exactly how contaminated the system is, and then advise you after that.
All right, now we're looking at some before and afters. That looks really bad on the left-hand side. I mean, so obviously that's what you're seeing when you put the little video in there, and you could, and then, I mean, what did you use to clean that, and what is that?
That is a return at a large commercial building, and we used a HEPA-powered vacuum and high-pressure air whips to clean all that out.
Wow. I mean, does our furnace work harder when it's blocked?
Absolutely. You're taxing all the components of the system, which equates to more wear and tear on the system, plus more dollars to operate it.
All right, well, speaking of dollars, you have a great special that you're offering our viewers. What is it, Rick?
That's right. Right now, we're offering 40% off. If you call today, we'll get you scheduled and get you a free estimate.
And it's real easy to contact them. It's COIT, 1-800-4COIT, or just go to COIT.com for all of their information. Gentlemen, thank you very much.
Thank you.